The not in operator as a membership operator tests for an absence of an element in a sequence of elements. The not in operators check for an element in a sequence of an element and returns true if the element is absent and false otherwise. As an example 1, the character A not in the string father, and the output is false. Yes, because A is present in the string father, and the membership operator, the not in, checks for absence, not presence. And the example 2, 7 not in the list containing 2, 4, 8, 7, and the output is true because 7 is present in the list containing 2, 4, 8, 7, and the membership operator not in checks for absence, not present. Okay. And example 3, O not in the string pen, P-E-N, and the output is true. Yes, because the character O is absent in the string pen. And example 4, which is the last example, is 2 not in the list containing 20, 70, 54, and the output is true because 2 is absent in the list of 20, 70, and 54. Thank you.